Hello everyone, this is Danny from creatingawebstore.com, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add an image inside of text in Photoshop. To start, simply open up your image, and if that image is locked, simply double click it to unlock it. Now simply duplicate the layer by right clicking and left clicking on duplicate layer, and then simply click on OK. Next, go to create new fill or adjustment layer, click it, and then left click on solid color. Here you can enter in any color that you'd like. For example, I will choose white because I want my outline, my background to be white. Next, simply move this new layer under your image. Now click on the image up here, and now select the text tool and simply enter in the text that you'd like to use. In my case, it will be New York City. Note that you can choose any color for your text. It doesn't have to be black. For example, you can choose red or white or anything that will enable you to see the text better on the image, and then click on OK. Don't even worry about the positioning of the font or style or size because you can always do that later. Or if you'd like, you can even edit it now. When happy with your text, simply click on the check mark here. Now simply move your text underneath your image layer, and then click on that image layer once more, and then simply go over here in the drop down menu and click on create clipping mask. And now, as you can see, your text has been created. Now simply click on the text to actually move it or stylize it or do anything that you'd like to it. For example, what I'll do is I'll resize it. So I'm just going to highlight it and go to Edit, Transform, and Scale. And note that you should actually hold down the Shift key on your keyboard while scaling so that it actually withholds its aspect ratio. When happy, simply move the text as you'd like. As you can see, you can actually move the text to decide on which areas of the image you'd like to reveal through the text. When happy, simply double click. To change the text style, you can simply highlight it and choose any text style that you'd like, as you can see. You can also add additional effects, for example, by simply clicking on the text layer here. For example, you can add an outline by clicking on the stroke here, and you can choose a color for it. Like so. You can also drop a shadow if you'd like, and adjust the angle. And you can always change the background of your layer here at any time by simply clicking on this part of the layer here, and then simply choosing a color. Like so. And then simply click on OK once you're happy. And you can always crop